Okay, so hi everyone. My name is After, and today we're going to be talking about how to create the radio button. So, you know how to import Kiddos-AK in the message box, right? You know the window. So here, x equals to tk.string var means string variable, and the value equals the Python. Okay. Then how to create a radio button. So tk.radio button window comma text equals Python variable equals to x comma value equals Python. The difference between them, and then give the pad y and packet. Same thing for the other two. The reason, not reason, but the difference between text and value is that text. It's like it's just a text. It's like just this one word. But the value means that it's actually going to show what's the actual thing. Like, what's the real thing? Let's refresh the connection. So if I say Python, right? I pick Python. It's Python. Okay? Let's say I change the value. It's after. Don't mind about this. If I say Python, it writes after. So the text doesn't matter, but the value matters. Okay? So we came back right here, Python. Anyways. So we have a button. Submit, then display. That's our function. Then pack this button under the main loop. Now let's get to the function display. We make a variable value equals the x dot get. So this x dot get. We've did this like many times, okay? If you've seen my videos before, I've did this like many times, okay? So you know this already. This is used to you. Message box dot show info details, comma formatting value. That's why when I press Python submit, in the message box it's showing the value Python. Okay? Like an example over here. Let's say I do Java for a second. See, Java. Python, Python. C++, C++. Okay? So, thank everyone for listening about how to make a radio button. Feel free if you have any questions. I hope